hi to your brother.
Huh?
Say hi to your brother.
Hi, Kyle.
We got little folding doors over here. This is a good idea, huh?
Bad idea to walk around with socks in here.
Oh.
Take those off before you go back up. Hey, out.
Get out.
Get out.
You got a door now. What is this though? The Brown Shack? What do you call it?
The chocolate love shack.
Chocolate Love Shack?